Hello, guys. You are welcome. And basically, I would just want to give you some insights to what Facebook can do for you as a tool. It's just a marketing tool that you need to understand it and you need to leverage. The word is leverage. You are leveraging a tool that can get you potential, results. I don't know what do you want? What are the results you are looking for? You want need more customers? Do you want more sales? Do you really want to reach out? Do you really want to get viral? That you really want to go live? Everybody will see you. Everybody will know you. Let me show you that there are so many integrations, and basically with Facebook, you can get all these. Okay, let me just walk you through. I believe you will decide what is right at the end of this brief intro. So let me bring my camera down so that you'll be able to see my face, and my notes are very very much available. Okay, good. I think we are good to go. Great. Facebook as a database. I want you to understand that so many people come onto Facebook as a social media, but they put in their contacts, their details, their names, and in fact, if they go for events or anything that is, they go on social media and share it and publicize it to the masses, and people get interested. Like, wow, I love this person. I have missed this person for it has been a long, it has been a while. Let me get back. Let me link up with my family and friends, and there are so many chats and so many interesting things, and that is on the social media level. But at the back end, it's also a database to know about people, to have their records, their phone number, their email, and even know what they do online. Those who actually shop, as in shopping online, do go shopping online. Those any of their activities, any of the sites that they visit, Facebook has the data and the tools to track all this and give you as a business owner the opportunity to understand how your customers, your potential customers, how they relate, what they buy, and what you can sell, and how you can pitch your market to them and actually interrupt them, because Facebook is an interrupted based marketing. Interrupt them with so many products that they will say, wow. Okay, let us go back. Facebook is a database, and with this, if you can leverage on this tool, if you understand what this tutorial is all about, is teaching you how to leverage on Facebook. If you can do that, then you are tapping into the source of 2 billion people worldwide, and you can reach out to anybody, any location, as long as they are on Facebook, as long as they fall within your potential audience. You can reach out to them, and you have more assurance of making your sales. God willing, God willing. Okay, now let us go through. If Facebook is a database, then Facebook has your audience, your potential customer. Facebook have them. So Facebook has them. So you leverage. The word is leverage. Just understand how the tool works and see how you can just tweak some things and leverage it, and let that promote your business. Let that go interrupting people, and really, because sincerely, Facebook is an interrupted based marketing. Facebook will just, when you are scrolling on Facebook, you just see sponsored ads, okay, of a product. You just say, "Oh, I think I like this product," and that is how you get to put your product or your services in front of your potential customer. You need to understand that Facebook have the audience, and you can actually leverage that too. The next thing that you are going to note is in this video, because the whole edit here is about selling to you a tutorial, a master guide that actually explains step by step what Facebook is and how you can actually use Facebook to promote businesses for your personal self or for clients. And like what I do, I run digital marketing agency, and I train people on how they can actually leverage social media channels like Facebook, like Google Ads, Google Display Network, Google Search Ads, YouTube, all these tools, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, even WhatsApp on the mobile level, how you can use all these tools to actually promote your business and get your customers to say thank you. The first thing you are going to learn is Facebook page, how to create Facebook page, the features or settings of Facebook page. You are going to learn how to link Facebook page with other social media like Instagram or what have you, and you are going to learn how to set up your banner, your profile picture, and so many settings at the back. In fact, you are going to learn how to place your shop and what have you. As far as Facebook page is concerned and Facebook tool is concerned, there are so many integrations that you are going to get and benefit from. And of course, there's always an opportunity to ask questions. I don't think you have any question because it's step by step that I recorded my screen. I showed how everything is done, and well, you may have any question. Let us see. The next thing you are going to understand, you are going to see, is how to set up your group, how to create your groups, and how to set them up, how to add members, and what are the functions of group, how you can actually tweak groups, because you can use all these tools. You can use them in any form you want, as long as it does not violate any policy. Please don't violate any policy. So the third one that you are going to understand, you are going to get, is what's about ads, Facebook ads account. What is all about ads? How do we create ads? All these sponsored posts that you see, how do we actually get them done? You are going to learn how to create your ad account. You are going to see step-by-step procedure, and you are going to really get explanation on how you can fund your account. That is the next one, how to fund your Facebook account, ads account with your Naira. So you don't need to create $1, because so many people have been complaining, I don't know how to fund my ad account, and I can't get it done. It's like confusing, and I will show you step by step what you need to do and where your ad account settings are, and how you actually pick the payment method, and which is what you would actually need, because without your account you may not be able to run your campaign. And now you are going to go through the advanced level. This is an advanced course now. Like, so many questions have been asked, why this level? I've made it so comprehensive that if you go through this video, you should be able to say, I understand Facebook as not just as a beginner, but as an expert. Okay, the other thing that you would require then are practices. You need to understand how your business manager account is, how your business manager gets to your ad account, gets to your page, gets to your Instagram, gets to your groups, and what have you. All the let me say organogram. Let me use the word organogram of hierarchy. You would see I explain. I use my time. I actually spend my time to explain bit by bit and how all these work. Marketing tool, Pixel. Wow. This is where the business comes in. This is where the business comes in. There are tools that you can use to track every event. If somebody visits your website or visits your page, or any event that happens, you can actually track them with Facebook Pixel. And I showed how to create Facebook Pixel, and I showed how to install it on the website, and the integrations. There are different models and what have you. The simplest one I actually showed. Okay, I explained, and I use the simplest so that you can just get it done. Pim, pim, pim. Okay, then another thing is that you can track any events with your Facebook Pixel, and this I covered in depth with the MasterCard course. The next one you are going to learn from this course is conversion. What do we mean conversion? We mean sales conversion. So when you have a website like an e-commerce store that you're actually driving traffic, probably you have a funnel. There are so many things that I really explain in this video, and I actually give opportunity that I'm also giving opportunity, not just that I have done it, I'm giving opportunity that you can ask questions. If you really need any clarification, ask. So when we say conversion, I explain how you can set your conversion campaign that will track when people actually get an event or a job done. Okay, and you now convert it to what is the value of such event or such job to you. if you are looking for leads or if you are looking for sale, for you to make a sale, how much does that worth? So for us to get you 10 sales, for Facebook to actually leverage the tools and get you 100 sales, what is the value, what is the conversion value for that? Then how can you set it up so that you can always know that for every penny you spend in marketing, you are seeing the money in return, in cash and in kind. So lead generation is another powerful tool, very very powerful. In fact, if you are running any service based business, you need lead generation. Leads are potential customers, and who does not need customer? In fact, everybody needs, except if you are not having any business at all that you are rendering. Then if you are not having any business at all, this video is actually meant for you, because it's going to give you a skill that you can just basically today now leverage it by just marketing people's businesses, and you can scale it up. Yes, you don't need to have your own business. If you understand this too, if you should purchase this master course, then you can actually use this tutorial skill that you have acquired from this tutorial towards to promote people's business and start the social media marketing agency in a very simplified course. You don't need years, you only need this 5 hours tutorial where I explain to you everything, and I'm availing you the opportunity to ask me questions. You ask me question, I can even go through your screen using Facebook also. I can see your screen, I can share my screen and really walk you through if there's any question. So what do I want from you? The call to action is very straightforward. The link is already available, and you can just check the link on the screen, where click the link and obtain a master course on Facebook. The tutorial is a self-explanatory guide. I actually set it up, then I'm willing to work with you to see your results and walk you through the process. You don't have anything to lose, you have everything to gain, and I will see you in class.